In this video, we're going to show you how to log into your child's school Frog VLE for the first time. First, open a browser. We recommend using Google Chrome when using the Frog VLE. Now type in yes.my in your browser's address bar. Then, click on One Bestari-net. As a parent of a child in a Malaysian government school, you would have been assigned an ID that enables you to log into your child's virtual learning environment. Before you can access your child's VLE, you must first retrieve your ID. To do this, click on 1, Retrieve My ID. Click on Parent. In the first box, you are asked for your name. You don't have to type your entire full name here, just a few characters will do. You can either use upper or lowercase characters for this. In the second box, enter your NRIC number or passport number. You don't have to put any dashes here, just the numbers. Click Search. The ID shown will be your personal One Bestari-net ID. This is also known as your Yes ID. It is the username that you use when logging into the Frog VLE, and it is also your own personal email address. Click on Continue. Please enter a mobile phone number here. Your password will be sent to this number by SMS. If you already have an email address you use regularly, you can enter it here. If you don't have one, you can leave this blank. Clicking on Send Password will send an SMS to the mobile number you entered. If you also entered an email address, then your password will also be sent there. Click on Continue. Once you've received the password through SMS, type it in. This is case sensitive, so be careful to match upper and lowercase characters here. Click on Continue. You are now given the option to change your password. If you do change your password here, please make a note of it, as you will need to use your new chosen password the next time you log in. You will now be prompted to enter some personal details. Any details with an asterisk next to it must be completed. The email address that you provide in this box will be where the confirmation of your activation is sent to. You can choose a different address if you wish, or you can leave it as it is. In this box, you will need to enter a telephone number. If a mobile phone number is entered, an SMS will be sent to that number keeping you informed of your activation process. You can read the terms and conditions by clicking here. You must then click on the box to accept the terms and conditions before you can activate your One Bestari-net ID. Now you will see that your One Bestari-net ID has been activated. Next, click on Hop In to continue. If prompted to do so, type in your One Bestari-net ID again in the first box and your password in the second, and then click Login. You are now in Hop In. To enter your school's VLE, click on Frog VLE. If you think one of your children is missing from the list, for example, one that is currently attending a government school in Malaysia, you can click on the Add Child button. If a child appears that is not yours, please click the Report button. You can also report an incorrect spelling of a name here. Before you can enter the Frog VLE, you need to verify that these are your children. To do this, click on the Verify button. Each child needs to be verified separately. Here, you will be asked to confirm the identity of your child by selecting one of the identification choices from the drop-down list. Carefully enter the appropriate identification number and then click Submit. If the details you have entered are correct, the following message will appear. Click the cross to close the window. You may find that when you click on the Frog VLE, the Verify button is still showing next to your child's name, indicating it is still awaiting verification. In this case, you need to refresh your browser by pressing Ctrl+R. Click on Frog VLE again. Now that your child has been verified, you can access the Frog VLE by clicking Access School VLE. If it's the first time you're logging in, the Acceptable Use Agreement and Personal Data Protection Policy window will appear. You can choose to display these in either Bahasa Melayu or English. In order to enter the Frog VLE, you must tick the box to accept, and then click the Accept button. You are now in the Frog virtual learning environment. To find out more about how to use the Frog VLE, click on Quick Launch in the Frog bar and select Learn Center. Click on I'm a Parent to display pages of help and videos like this one. That's it! You are now ready to start using the Frog VLE.